Hi, I'm Jenn Donnelly, and I'm an attorney here at Kimmel Carter, Delaware's largest personal injury and workers' compensation firm. I want to talk to you guys today a little bit about what we've been hearing all over the news about protecting yourself and your families, but in a little bit different context. While we're all staying at home and social distancing, it's a great time to sit down and take a look at the insurance coverage you have. My firm practices a large practice of auto accidents and injury cases. One of the things that we hear over and over again from clients after they've been in an accident is, how can I protect myself and my family moving forward? In Delaware, the insurance carriers often will get you by approaching you with a low premium on your insurance policy. The way they keep the premiums down is by limiting the amount of coverage that you're purchasing for yourself to protect you and your family if you're in an accident. It's pretty incredible how little of a difference there is on what you're paying now for a certain amount of coverage and if you need to up that coverage. In Delaware, PIP, which we hear a lot about, or personal injury protection, covers you when you're in an accident for your medical expenses, and if you're out of work with an injury, it covers your lost wages. It's very important to a lot of my clients, if they're missing time from work because they have a broken bone or they're unable to, they're a construction worker and they can't do a heavy duty job because of an injury, to have their wages replaced as quick as possible so that they can keep the lights on and pay their bills at home. And where we get that money is from PIP and personal injury protection. If you have a minimum policy in Delaware, which is all you're required to have to be legal on the road, that money runs out very quickly. For not a whole lot of money, and obviously you can call your insurance companies and talk to them about this, you can up that coverage for a higher limit, which protects you. It keeps that money in place, it keeps your medical bills getting paid, and it keeps your wages coming in while you're out of work. The same thing, we all hope that if you're in an accident, everyone on the road has insurance coverage to protect you and compensate you for injuries that you might sustain. One of the other types of coverage that we deal with a lot when we have a client that's been involved in an accident is what's called underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage. That's if the person that hit you doesn't have insurance, or if they don't have enough insurance, if they also have a minimum policy. Again, in Delaware, there's a minimum amount that you have to be legal on the road, and that's fine. But if you, for a few more dollars, get yourself more coverage, there's more money there to go after if you are seriously injured, catastrophically injured in an accident. Same thing, if you think about it, if you have kids, younger adults that are driving vehicles, and they are in school, or you're in working and you have children that are in college, that money, you need those wages coming in if you're out of work to keep paying your bills, and PIP and UIM really cover you and protect you when you're in an accident. All I can encourage you guys to do during this time is stay social distancing, stay healthy, and while you're home with your families, take a minute, sit down, look at your insurance policies. If you have one of these minimum limits policies, it's probably a few minute call to your own insurance company to see what it would be to get those rates increased. And it's a great way to protect yourself once we all get back out on the road and ensure that, nobody's involved in an accident, but if you are, you're adequately protected. So stay well, stay safe, and here we are at Kimmel Carter if you ever need us.